And talk into it.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, are you doing it?
Yeah.
This is Maya's first time at the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. She loves her seaweed. What have you got there? What's that?
You see the osprey up in the nest up there?
Oh, it's Memorial Weekend, Sunday.
2008.